You are now the proud owner of one of the 2018 Big Bang referee watches, created for the FIFA World Cup 2018, taking place in Russia. Your watch will be delivered to you in a box set containing various accessories. The watch itself comes in its official FIFA World Cup 2018 case. Beneath the case are 2 booklets and the warranty card. One booklet contains instructions for use, helping you to familiarize yourself with your new timepiece. The other one provides you information on safety and legal. Together with the Hublot rubber strap, you have the opportunity to purchase another one sporting the colors of your favorite country. The strap here displays the colors of Switzerland's flag. At the back of the case is a pouch containing the following accessories: an armband for wearing the watch while practicing sport. This accessory is the same the referees might use at the FIFA World Cup 2018. A USB charger for connecting the watch to your computer or a conventional wall charger. To charge your watch, first connect the charging puck to the USB cable provided. Place the back of the watch against the charging puck, ensuring that the 4 connection points line up. Magnets on the charger will help these to align correctly. You can then connect the USB cable directly to your computer or into the wall plug and a power source. Press and hold the crown for a few seconds to switch on the watch. Tap the screen to begin. Tap a language and follow the on-screen instructions. You are now ready to pair your watch with your smartphone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Download the Wear OS by Google application from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch the app on your phone and follow the instructions. A confirmation message will be displayed on your watch and phone once they are paired. The dial can be changed from the main screen by swiping right or left. Tap the one you want to activate it. You can display one of the 32 countries participating in the FIFA World Cup 2018 by pressing and holding on the screen and then scrolling down the available dials. During the FIFA World Cup, thanks to your Big Bang referee, you can enjoy a fully immersive football experience, receiving all the important information in real time on your preferred match, like countdown, goals, red and yellow cards, or end of the game. After the FIFA World Cup, you can still use your watch and enjoy all apps also available, like the incoming call, fitness data and maps. Swipe up to check your notifications, swipe down to open quick settings, and push the crown to open the app list. Press and hold the crown to use the voice command. You are now set to experience the FIFA World Cup 2018 like never before.